Hello everybody, my name is Chantas. Today I would like to show you how to create a dynamic drop-down list in Microsoft Excel. Here's my example that I just create here. It's very easy, and you just use tab for new row, and yes, and then select more products here and show how to do like this. Okay, I will show you. I will create a new file, and then I try the column field header, the column headers, yes, that, yeah, product name, yes, amount, yes, okay, sorry, amount, yes, and then you can use here format table. I will, and then tick on my header as my table has header. Okay, and set here as US dollar, yeah, and then you must create the new sheet, yeah. Product name, okay, and you have a product, so I can just copy and paste here and try a product name, okay, and I select the product I would like to show in the list. Here as I set here as product, okay, name, do not space here, just try in the one word, okay, and the next step, go to the sheet and click here. You must click here and go to data validation here and select allow here, just click on list. You can use F3 or you can go to select here product here, yes, you have two options, okay, and yeah, okay, yeah, and then click OK. Okay, when I try that by, yes, and on the product name just click on, yeah, voucher or mere, yeah, amount, and you can use tab more too, yeah, and click on the list item you want to show. See that you can understand my tutorial, and if you have any question you can ask in my comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to get more video. Thank you and goodbye.